Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for jobs on the BestJobs application. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the search icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you are ready to type in the kind of job you are searching for. Then you have to select the city or the country and the county in which you would like to work. Now if you scroll down, you can see that you can also select the kind of domain you are working in. Then you have to select your career level. The job type in which you would like to work in, such as full-time, part-time, internship, and so on. And you can order the job offers by relevance, salary, activation date, or distance. You are also able to select or to indicate what languages you speak and the benefits of the job offer. Now if you're ready with all these steps, all you have to do is clicking on the button search at the bottom of the screen. And now you will be able to search through the results and select the most relevant one or the ones you prefer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.